Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make video like Desi Uttam YT'sin, only way. Analyze pacing, camera moves, and beat drops to mirror the only way energy. Focus on punchy edits, rhythmic cuts, and bold transitions to keep viewers hooked. Use clear head and shoulder framing, quick zooms, and reactive expressions to sell emotion. Layer upbeat background music, timed sound effects, and concise captions to boost retention and clarity. Want a smooth workflow? Plan shot list, beat markers, and key hook timestamps before you film. Scout simple locations, optimize lighting with soft sources, and prep wardrobe contrasts that read on mobile. Write short, punchy lines and practice timing with the music to nail rhythm edits during shooting. Keep assets organized in labeled folders to speed editing and reduce decision fatigue. Review reference clips to match style and energy precisely. While shooting, keep edits in mind by recording extra reaction shots and clean plates for seamless transitions. Use jump cuts sparingly and rely on motion-matched cuts for high-energy sequences to preserve rhythm. In editing, sync cuts to beats, tighten pacing to hook in the first seconds, and add tasteful color grading for cinematic warmth. Export mobile-friendly versions and test audio levels on phone speakers for best results now.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.